Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan. We are back in the sneaker closet today, and I want to get into showing y'all a pair of sneakers that there's only 500 of in the world. That's at least, what I know at the moment, because, well, it says 500, or basically out of 500, what, number pair it is, on the box. So I imagine that's how many pairs there are of these that exist, and we got a pretty good size right here, size 12, pretty happy about that. But we'll get into showing you guys this special box right here. This is the Alexis Sablone SB Dunk Low special box. As you guys can see, pretty cool details right there. We'll definitely do some B-roll shots for these in a second, and yeah, we're just going to do, again, a little unboxing. Tomorrow, I know I've been delaying this video. Tomorrow I'm going to be doing the how-to cop for the Verdes. If that has not came out yet, that video, then stay tuned for that. And I'm going to be doing kind of like a release update video for the I'm a Monier Fossil Stone 4. So stay tuned for that. I got two big videos I got on the way, but I just wanted to do this one first because these came through today, and I was like, no way, I'm skipping making a video on these. I mean, check it out. We got number 376 out of 500. So I want to give a quick shout out to the person that sold me them. I normally don't give shout outs, but here they are. Thank you for selling me this pair. I just felt like it was due, felt like it was appropriate, because it's a very, very rare pair. And the fact that somebody even hit me up, actually two people hit me up with pairs of these, and the fact that I actually got one of them to sell me a pair, one of them was willing to sell me a pair, I think that's awesome. So thank you. Not my size, but I'll figure out what to do with this pair. It's a rare one. There's not a lot of them. Could be a good hold, I'd imagine. If you just wait a few years, who's gonna have a size 12? Probably, absolutely nobody. But special boxes are, a tricky game, I can say that. But again, if you guys want more content like this, more unboxing videos, be sure you guys subscribe and like down below. Let's try and hit 300 likes in this video. I forgot to up that. I don't know how I'm still forgetting that. It's been like almost 2 weeks now, but yeah, let's try to hit 300 likes in this video. That'd be if we could do that, that'd mean a lot. And if not, don't worry, check us out down below, Resale Vision. We're going to be doing some lobster SBs under market today, so if that's the type of stuff you're into, under resale market sneakers, deals on hyped items, so you'll be able to flip the apps or just keep for your collection. That is exactly what we do every single day, and we're going to be giving away a pair of the Verdes. I've said a lot here in this intro, but this is an important thing, so don't miss out on the Verde SB giveaway. That's one thing I can say. But that's everything. Hit me on my Instagram down below if y'all need any kicks too, like Carbon SB, any recent drop. Just check my story, tons for sale there. But let's get into reviewing these bad boys right here, super clean. Or I guess it's Alexis Sablone. Maybe these bad girls. I don't know that. Yeah, never mind. All right, that's just a terrible joke. Let's just get started. So first thing I want to show you guys right here is going to be the size tag for these. So keep in mind there was a $250 retail price on these. It was a bit higher because keep in mind it came with the Converse and the SBs in the box. So there's the size tag. There you go. It might not be the same for every location, but this one has one on the box. And you guys can also see the box has kind of that same snake skin or kind of like reptile. Here it is. There you go. Shows a little bit better. You see that kind of pattern we have in the box. That is the same that we have on the Alexis Sablone SB Dunk Low. Thought that was pretty cool. So a little something right there. And then again, y'all can see number 376 out of 500. And of course, as you guys can see, there's the Nike SB logo for the SBs being right in there, and then Converse logo for the Converses being right in there, because keep in mind she had a pair of Converses that she also dropped. Those are actually pretty nice. I checked out a pair of them the other day, and actually today it was at the Scape Shop, so I'll check that out. And yeah, pretty cool overall. That's what I can say. So aside from that, some of the outside box details we got right there. Hopefully I just gotta get really close for it to focus. Yeah, y'all can see that right there. The Nike tag right here in the bottom. It's kind of like blended into the box, like a chameleon. Again, it's blended in. Everything's like it's like not hard to find in the box. And there's of course Alexis Sablone's initials right there, AS. And there you go, kind of that spot pattern fading into the box, which I think that is pretty cool right there. So aside from that, I'm gonna unbox this with this view right here. We're just gonna hold this like an important package or something, you know what I mean? So here is where the SBs are. Let me do this correctly. I do not want to mess up a rare pair of shoes like this. There's only 500 in the world, so I feel like I'd be pretty disrespectful if I, mess these up. Also, I got someone that, actually caught these off me, so there you go. I'm going to be careful for that. But you guys can see it's just kind of like two sleeves, you know what I mean? Two sleeves. You can see there's like kind of the chameleon pattern, and, just slides back in just like that. Very, very easy. And obviously this kind of tucks it in, keeps it in place. But y'all have seen the Alexis SBs. I'm literally just going to show them as is. Like, this is literally just a regular. I don't think there's anything like, I'm looking at this for the first time, but I don't think there's anything like special other than like the box. Yeah, you can see like here's just a a normal Alexis Sablone SB Dunk Low, nothing too crazy right there. It is part of the special box. That's probably the best part other than the actual box. But yeah, we got pink and white laces. I'm surprised they didn't add like a special little pair of laces or something like that. A lot of special boxes sometimes will have and there's for her initials on the back, but they'll include like some sort of special thing aside from the box to really Let me see if this is focusing. I don't think it is. But there you go. Now it's kind of focusing a little bit. But yeah, usually special boxes will include like one little small thing or unique thing to kind of make sure people notice like, oh, that's a special box pair. Other than like literally bringing the box and showing it as that, you know what I mean? And we got the, Nike SB sticker, but that's really it. And by the way, I like the special box. I don't think it's bad. I'm saying like, they could have added more, you know what I mean? That's how I feel about a lot of special boxes a lot of the time. And then y'all can see the Converses right there. Size 12 pair of those. So another little thing we got. I'll actually show y'all the Converses because I bet you not everyone has seen these, so we'll do that. So as you guys can see, I was actually checking out a pair of these today at the skate shop. I just really like the pebbled kind of leather material that we got on these, or that they decided to use on these. Some pink laces, some white laces. Not bad additions. And the insoles on these, I'll show you all that. There's the insole, same little thing that we got. A little bit different because you got the Converse logo right there a little bit, but you can see kind of that pattern going up on the insole of the sneaker. That's the same thing we had in the Alexis SBs. So yeah, another little detail right there. The Converses with them. But yeah, aside from the Converses, aside from the Alexis SBs, I'm going to get into some B-roll shots for you guys so you can get kind of a closer glimpse at them, see what these really look like with some good shots. And then, yeah, we're going to head into the outro. That'll be it. Let's go. Sticks made a bucket head. Anyways, guys, yeah, I'm literally like kneeling on the ground right now, but yeah, if you guys want more unboxings like this, let me know. Be sure you guys subscribe and like down below. Just trying to 300 likes on this video. And let me know your thoughts on the special box. I mean, we got the Converses right there. The special box right here. Hey, let me know your thoughts. Let me know your thoughts. Do you think, did you enjoy the video? Let me know. And just, do you think it's like a cool special box? Like, there's only 500 of them, so of course this is like, a cool thing to show. But, again, if you're only going to make 500 of them, like, actually, like, aside from the box, like the box, I love the twin pack idea. I think it's very cool, but it's like, nothing with the laces, nothing with actual like pair, like, you know what I mean? Like, there's so many things like I'm just complaining, but at the end of the day, I feel like a lot of the time, like, there's so, like, the special box, I feel like there's just not enough done with it. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, it's a special box, but like, I don't know. I mean, it's literally called special box. Like, it's not special box and accessories. You know what I mean? I'm just thinking about the Concepts SB special box. Like, that's a true special box. It comes with a lot of stuff too. Like that. That's a special box. This is a good one though. I'm not complaining. Gonna say that. I'm a fan, as I said in the video. But again, don't forget, check me out. My IG's down below. Always buying, selling, trading. If y'all need any pairs, the recent light carbon SBs, like any GR SB Dunk Low, just any recent release, Breads, Military Blues, White Thunders, hit me up. Let me know what size. I'll get you a price for them because I got a lot of shoes. We gotta get them sold. So please hit me up. No, I'm kidding. But if you want to, feel free. This is a weird outro because I'm like not level with the camera. And you can check us out at Resale Vision down below. Don't forget, Birdie SB Dunk Low giveaway coming very, very soon. Just waiting for the market to settle a little bit because obviously I don't want to drop $1,000 on a big size right now if we have a big size winner. And also one thing I want to say is, yeah, just under market deals we do every day. Don't miss out. That's the type of stuff we do. I got a lot to mail out actually like right after this video. So yeah, it's a busy day as always, but we stay busy. That's how we do it. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed midget me in this outro, I guess. I don't know why, like I could just stand and zoom out my camera like this and then back up. Yeah. All right. So that's it. I'm T. Thank you guys. I'm gonna catch you on the next video tomorrow. It'll either be a how-to copy of the birdies if that hasn't been posted yet, or it's gonna be something on the On My Money or Fossil Stone 4. So it's gonna be something worth your time. That's it. We got a lot of heat in the way. Those are dropping on the same day. Like Nike coordination. What are we doing? It's on purpose. All right. See y'all tomorrow. Peace.